Into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Oh, 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 into the unknown. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening! Welcome back on my channel. Sorry for this intro, but I love so much Frozen. So, the new movie of Frozen is coming in the cinemas, and I'm so happy because I create him. This is Bruni. Bruni is the elemental spirit of fire. So hot. We have Bruni. Bruni is the elemental spirit of fire. And I'm so happy to show you this little simple tutorial, not so much simple, but simple. I want to start really soon. See you later. Bye. Bye bye, Bruni.
Here we are with a small Frozen 2 theme setting, with our soft Cosclay block, which I tried for the first time, and with Brittney Lee illustration that inspired me to create Bruni. There are also plastic eyes I found from the Chinese, and I've already tested in a test firing. We have our beautiful little armor, and we start to cover everything with the Cosclay. This polymer clay has something incredible, and in this soft version it's really fantastic and very workable to make many details. Looking at the illustration of the Brittney Lee and also looking at the trailer of the movie, I had to imagine the best of this Bruni and who he was. Oh yeah, Bruni is the elemental spirit of fire, and it would be the only one. As you can see, I added levers to Cosclay because I realized that Bruni is a very soft and salty salamander. Even the legs should be made so that they look like cones, then thick ankles and small but plump shoulders. One of the most important problems was to create the hind legs, which are really short, but which in any case had to have their own joints, must be seen at all costs. I had a little polymer clay under his stomach, and looking at the illustrations I realized that I had to add more polymer clay to the sides of the abdomen. Then leaving the hole with another sheets of polymer clay. And even the tail must be the more plump. So I add another Cosclay, which, as you see, sticks very well in a short time to the lower level already worked before. I saved you the tutorial on the other two legs, and in here they are all four almost ready. Every time I start a tutorial, I always start creating the head first, but this time, strangely, it wasn't. We shaped the shape of the head to make it a sort of oval. We insert the plastic eyes, which are not necessary because you can also create them yourself. And let's proceed. The eyebrow arc are always very important to give the final expression on our characters. I added some clay to make the head more rounded. Do we curve the mouth? Here it is. A really huge mouth. These small holes in the nose to let this magical creature breathe. And finally we attach the head to the body. Oh my god, but it is beautiful. And as always, I have not taken particular proportions to create the head. What an ass! We attach the head to the body well, adding many layers of clay to make the neck more thick, just like in the trailer and in the illustrations. Once we creative people were afraid to make arms, legs, fingers, necks, and particular details that popped out of our creations. Unfortunately, the other polymer clay are very fragile. But after all the Cosclay it came on our hand, I don't fear it anymore. It's time to create 12 small and more or less equal balls, and let's create the toes of the pose. We place the ball on one finger and with the fingers of the other hand pull a strip of dog to create a cone with a rounded tip. And we do this for all the other toes. Easy, no? I recommend attack them well. Here it is. I was convinced that I finished it, but instead I remembered a detail of the trailer where Bruni sticking out his tongue to eat the snow that Elsa makes him fall with magic. And I say to myself, oh my god, I can't help but make the tongue stick out of his mouth. And so it was. Well, we're ready. Bake for 30 minutes and 275 degrees and cover the plastic eyes for safety with a little baking paper. Now I leave you with the airbrush coloring and the hand brushes coloring. See you later!
Oh my gosh, he's so cute, he's amazing. I love so much this new character, this new animal. He's a salamander of Aril and a spirit of fire. When he uses his power, he became purple and appear a strange fire, purple fire on his back and on his head. This is so amazing. Thank you so much, Disney Animation Studio. Thank you so much for this. And he's not the only elemental spirit. Spoiler alert, I'll spoil. I really hope you like. And now it's time to say bye-bye or to the next video. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for show all your love to me and my channel and all my creation. Thank you so much. Okay, Bruni. He loved the camera. Stop. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye. See you soon and take the kiss. Bye. Stop it. Bye-bye.